3 yn unig oedd yn gwahanu Pontypridd a'r Seintiau yn y ras am le ym pedwar uchaf y brif adran cyn i'r ddau gwrdd ddoe. Cicrydd Helen Evans o bellter, ymdrech acrobataidd Emily Ridge, a Daniel Staley yn rhwydo i roi'r tîm o groesoswell 2-0 ar y blaen ar y decwyl. Claire Daly yn llawio yn y cwrt Cosby hanner ffordd drwy'r ail hanner, yn galluogi i Beth Lewis sylio'r fuddigoliaeth o'r smotyn.
It's so close at the moment. Obviously, we've gone level on points. Obviously, I think we've gone ahead on goal difference, but that was what we came down here for. 3 points at the end of the day. Probably wasn't expecting to come away 4-0. They're a very good team. We're always evenly matched. I know obviously they were missing a key player for them, Alison Witts, so she was a big miss. So yeah, but I mean, just the way we played. I mean, you know, we haven't played since the 4th of December, I think, so nearly 5 weeks now. So yeah, I mean, for them to put in a performance like that was just very nice.
You play the number of games which we'll do is 14, and the team that deserves to finish in the top 4 will finish in the top 4, you know, and we hope that it's us, and we think that it will be us. But like I say, after a result like today, you know, the TNS are going to be confident. But yeah, look, you know, there's 4 games to go, and we'll see how it all shakes out at the end of those 4 games.
Yeah, really good game. We're really happy with the result. I think it showed how far we've come from the start of the season to now, definitely. And we've had a long break off over Christmas, a few games cancelled because of the weather and etc. But really showed today how well we can play and what we can do.